Sir, ako, pinaka-concern ko yung safety and security ni Agent Morales. I believe wala pong nagbigay ng tulong sa kanya, no, from the government, aside lang doon sa Senate, what do you call that, OSA?
OSA, opo. Office of the
OSA.
Sergeant at Arms, opo. OSA,
Yeah, so
ma'am.
di ba yun lang ang nagbigay sa kanya ng security during the day of the hearing. Pero other than that, wala po talagang ibinigay ang government even though mayroong pagbabanta sa kanyang buhay.
Yes po. Ang OSA po, as discussed by General Ancan, you were able to talk to him. Sabi ho kasi sa amin na ang OSA is only limited to provide yung security dun sa Senate-related concerns. But since meron pa ho siyang mga ibang hearings that he has to attend to, hindi na ho na-provide ng OSA ho yun dahil hindi na ho